In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to your Zoom meeting. This is a handy feature that helps keep your meeting secure and ensures that only the people you invite can join. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure your meeting is as secure as possible with a passcode. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Zoom website. Make sure you're logged into your account, and then you'll need to head over to the My Meetings section. You'll find this option located in the menu on the left-hand side of your Zoom dashboard. Clicking on it will bring you to a list of all your scheduled meetings. This serves as the main hub for managing your upcoming gatherings. Once you're on the My Meetings page, the next step is to select the meeting you want to secure with a password. Look through your list of upcoming meetings and identify the one you're interested in. You'll then want to click on the Edit option next to this meeting. It's usually represented by a pencil icon. The Edit button allows you to modify details of the scheduled meeting such as date, time, and security settings. Now that you're in the edit mode, pay close attention to one of the key sections labeled Security. This is where you can adjust settings related to the safety of your meeting. Here, you will see an option to enable a passcode. Zoom may have this option ticked by default for your meetings, but it's important to ensure it's selected. This helps in preventing unauthorized entries. Next up, you'll need to type in a new passcode for your meeting. Use this opportunity to create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and even special characters to enhance security. Remember, the security of your meeting also depends on the strength of the passcode you choose. So avoid using obvious or easily guessable passwords like 1002345 or password. Instead, opt for one that's easy for your attendees to remember, but hard for others to guess. Lastly, once you have entered the desired passcode,